New tonight, the Columbus Board of Education has awarded $11 million to renovate the heating and air conditioning system at 4 local schools: West High School, Sherwood Middle School, Moeller Elementary, and Duxbury Park Elementary will all have air conditioning in their classrooms for the first time in their histories. Now, this money is part of the Operation Fix-It initiative, which was approved by voters to improve Columbus City school buildings. This plan is to have those systems installed for the start of the 2018-2019 school year. Tonight's decision has parents and students pretty excited about the changes to their schools, particularly for those who attend West High School. NBC4's Rob Sneed joins us live with why. Rob?
Yeah, tonight the school board made that decision here at the Columbus City School Board of Education Administration offices to install those new systems. Now, the school hasn't had central air or heat since it opened more than 90 years ago. That's West High School. Tonight, the parents and kids I spoke with tell me that they are glad they will no longer have to suffer the elements on the inside. A proud mother watched her son play baseball for one of the last times at West High School.
He just hit a triple. Come on.
The senior is on his way out soon, so he won't benefit from the $11 million renovation project that will bring air conditioning and heating to the school. But his mother isn't too bothered.
I think it's fantastic. We pay good taxes for our city to work hard for us, so what they're doing for these schools is definitely needed.
No one knows this more than its students.
Inside the school and classrooms, it's the same degrees as outside, or worse, like we'll be sweating.
It's really hot in there, and I know one time my sophomore year, I had to walk out of the class because it got so hot, like I couldn't breathe in the class at all. It was horrible.
They have to hand out waters throughout the whole school because so none of us get sick or something from the heat.
Both Paige Lyons and Katie Grace are juniors. They find it surprising the problem is now being fixed.
It kind of seems like a joke because it's been so long.
We always complain and make posts and tag Columbus City Schools in it, and they didn't change it until this year.
But they are thankful something is finally being done.
Fix it quickly, make it a lot better for the future, for future students who definitely have asthma.
And the plan is to have the systems installed for the 2018-2019 school year. Local for you in downtown Columbus, Rob Sneed, NBC4.
Thank you, Rob. Tonight, the school board also made an important decision in its new search for a permanent superintendent for the district. The board chose Professor William Forich from the Ohio State to be the mediator during this process. He'll help work out any disagreements between board members. The district tells us the next step is to choose outside legal counsel.